This is the Dacia Sandero MK2, and in order to replace the front wipers, you will need to press these holders and then pull the wiper up. It may seem a little bit too hard to do, especially with one hand, because I'm trying to film it with another hand. So when using both hands, it's much easier. And then you take off this holder. If you have the wiper with this plastic thing, you can just install it back and that's all. If you have the wiper without this holder, you will just need to unclip it. So here is the holder, here is the wiper blade, and you need to click it like that, and then just install the new wiper. Carefully. Just move it down and it locks itself, so that's all. Also, you don't need to use any wiper service mode because the wiper blades, the arms will not touch the hood, so there is no way you can damage something. And when it comes to the rear one, it's a little bit trickier. The rear blade is fixed with the plastic bar. So what you need to do, you need to rotate it a little bit, like 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and then pull it to the sides. So hold this arm with one hand and pull the blade with other hand. You just need to unclip this plastic bar from this lock. And that's all. Then you just install the new blade. So you just insert the blade to its place and click it. That's done.